Yeah, good morning, ma'am. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How have you been doing?
Yes, I've been doing great too. Thank you.
I think this is our second class,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Yeah,
So tell me about what have you been doing since morning, about your routine a little bit.
yeah, sure. So, as today's Sunday, so it's my weekend. So, I woke a bit late and I did my daily routine work. And yes, some of the time I spent with like cleaning house, my room and table and all, because mostly I do on weekend. Uh, and yeah, and after that, I am free to have this conversation. Yeah,
Okay. So you're staying in Bhopal, like
yeah, right.
if I remember from our last conversation.
Yes, absolutely
So
right.
how were the celebrations over there?
Yeah, before some days back, we had Navratri festival and
Yes, yes.
yeah, Dasara festival also. So yeah, here people celebrate in a grand way, and mostly if I talk about me, so I love Navratri festival a lot because I feel different energy and vibes, and I become bit energetic. Like I usually wake up bit early in the morning to do worship and to go to temple. So yeah.
Okay. So like what did you do in those 9 to 10 days? Like did you go out, celebrate, enjoy with your friends and family?
Yes, yes, I enjoyed too. I would say that not on 9 days, but the last day, like Ashtami and Navami. So we went for
Yes.
the Garba also, Garba dance. So here in Bhopal, there is a uh, big Garba festival they organize. So we went there, and I wore chanya choli and all. I did that get up and yeah, and on the Nami it was my birthday also, so I
Oh,
celebrated. Yeah,
a very happy birthday, like a belated happy birthday to you.
thank you. So yeah, it was all like whole Navratri, it was like celebration day.
Okay. So how did you celebrate your birthday at the same time and Navratri and all?
Yeah, it was a bit challenging this time because I had to manage both the things because in our home we celebrate Navratri also. So we did Kanya Pujan in the morning and Havan. So till afternoon I did that thing, and after that I got ready for to go to a restaurant, and my friends they organized a party and they brought a cake and everything. So
So
I
it was
went there.
surprise. It was a surprise for you.
Yeah. So I didn't know that where we are going. So they just told me that this is the time you have to get ready and then we are going somewhere. So
Okay.
yeah, I celebrated there. And after coming back, I celebrated with my family members also. So it was whole day celebration.
So it was a two-time celebration in a single day.
Yeah. And in the morning, I celebrated. It's a kind of celebration with all girls that we did Kanya Pujan also.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so anything you want to talk about for today's session? Do you want to suggest a topic to me?
Yeah, I have a question actually. So, like most of the Twitter suggested me that I use like word a lot. So I have to reduce that. But while talking, I don't, know that where I have to use that words or some different words in place of like. So
In
if you
in place of, sorry, I didn't get you. In place of,
like, mostly in the filler words, we use like word a lot.
okay, could you give me some examples? Like in a sentence, if you could give me some example.
I don't exactly know, but while talking, we mostly use like I did that thing.
Ah,
Uh, After that, we went to a party, something like that. So most of the time, I use like word.
okay.
So how we can reduce that, and in place of like, we can use some different words also to
Yeah.
reduce that, right?
Yes. You can use like similarly instead of that,
Hmm.
or like the synonyms, you can replace it with it.
Any other words?
Uh, like not something that is coming to my mind right now,
Mm-hmm.
but you can replace it with synonyms, or you can just simply reduce using the word.
Okay.
Yeah. So have you gotten any advice regarding it, or
Um, yeah, some of the Twitter suggested like we can use some different words. I can't recall. Like eventually. Uh,
yeah,
uh,
eventually similarly, like I said, similarly is also a replacement for that,
okay.
or eventually, yes, I think they go along.
Okay, I will try. Because while speaking, we don't. Sometimes we don't focus too much, and because
Yeah.
of that, we most of the time we use same kind of words all the time. It's not about me, but some people they have some kind of words that is already in their mind and they use it like multiple times.
Yeah, while correcting a particular mistake, I think you have to really focus on it while speaking, at least for the first few times. Then you will eventually get a hold of it and you will, habituated, you will be habituated with it. But in order to correct a mistake for the first few times, you really have to focus while speaking. I should not use this word. I should not use this word.
Yeah,
Right.
right.
So, yeah, that's how. So, you have been taking classes in Clapingo regularly?
Alternative days.
Okay. And are these for your like YouTube channel, or do you like keep it to yourself?
It is for YouTube also, but I want to improve myself also. So, like for both, you can say.
Okay. So, I mean, I am asking like, do you upload these videos or?
Yes, I upload there.
Okay. Okay.
So it's a kind of we can keep it for the progress purpose also, and also if people can watch and they can learn something from our videos, so that would be beneficial for them also.
Yes, definitely. So, do you teach in YouTube, or is it just like the videos are going up?
Mostly conversational videos, and sometimes I make shorts on some different things like grammatical things or any kind of new words if I encounter or any new thing that I learned recently. So I just try to narrate in that video so that I can also remember and can put that video on YouTube.
Okay. So, if you could recall a few things that you have learned recently, any new words or any new like English speaking advices, do you recall some of them?
Yeah, for the past few days I didn't do anything. But yeah, at the last time I did tongue twister.
Okay.
Yeah.
May I hear one?
Yeah, so I read one Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. So she bought some better butter to make them better. It was like that.
Okay, that's really great. I love tongue twisters, although I'm not very fluent in it, but I love hearing them.
Yeah, so it was my first time that I tried something, so it was new for me. Uh, but I took like multiple times. I took long. What can I say? I take multiple attempts to make it fluent.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Obviously. Okay. But you have gotten a hold of it now.
Yeah,
Okay. So what's your plan for this weekend, for the Sunday?
I'm just planning to go for movie, Kantara movie.
So you like watching movies?
Yeah, sometimes I watch, but I'm not into movies a lot. But when somebody suggests me that it is a good movie, or if somewhere I read, or maybe in the reels we watch some clips and it fascinate you, so then definitely I watch.
Okay. Do you have any specific genre that you like, or you just neutral?
Yeah,
You're just
most of the time I like drama kind of movies, like love story or maybe drama. Not like action movie a lot. Yeah, sometimes I watch, but not all the time.
and not horror movies at all, right?
Horror movie also I can watch.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
That's great. So you're not scared of them.
No.
Well, I would watch anything but horror movies. I don't watch horror movies at all.
Oh,
Yeah.
But recently, I watched one movie. I can't remember the name right now. That was the horror movie. I forgot the name. So I watched that movie and I was just complaining that why it was not too horror.
Is it
Because
was that a Hollywood movie, English movie?
it was Hollywood movie, but not. I watched in Hindi,
Okay, okay. As in
but
with
it
the
was
Hindi audio.
Yeah, I watched it with Hindi audio. So maybe in English it looks like more horrible. I don't know, but I was just assuming that when I watched in Hindi, so I didn't find it too scary.
Okay. So you
Yeah,
could
now
have
I can
given it
recall
a
the name
try.
Conjuring. Conjuring.
Conjuring. Yes, yes, yes. It's the scariest of the lot, I think.
Yeah, but
Conjuring.
in the last movie, it was not that scary. It had like four parts, I guess.
Yeah.
So in the previous movie, it was bit scary, but not the last one.
It was the final part, I guess.
Yeah, it was fine.
Okay. So why didn't you give a try watching in English?
Mm, I never tried actually in the theater, especially. But yeah, I want to try. I was just I wanted to try in English actually, and there was some issues. I don't remember. Maybe due to the timing issue.
Okay, okay.
So I kept in Hindi.
So is it just as fun hearing in
Yeah.
Hindi as it is in English? Since it's dubbed, right? It's dubbed in Hindi.
Yes, yes. And I watched some of the reels. So there was some mention, like people were mentioning that they used some kind of mantra in Hindi. Like she always repeat when when the devil comes. So she repeats. So in Hindi, it was like more funny terms. But
Yes,
when I
yes.
heard in English, it looks a bit good.
Realistic.
Yeah,
Yeah.
realistic.
Yeah, definitely. I think even like the sports commentary that we hear, if it is dubbed in Hindi, it sounds a bit off, you know.
Hmm. Yeah.
So it's not the most, I mean,
So you are
not
into
so.
movies.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. I'm into movies. I like watching movies.
Oh, that's great. So which one is your favorite one?
Like, I usually, if there is anything psychological, thriller movies, there are lots in Hollywood movies. You will get lots of psychological thriller movies and TV shows in
Okay.
the Hollywood part. So
So you
I,
like Hollywood a lot.
yeah,
Okay, that's great. So you must be watching in English.
yeah, definitely. I watch it in English. I also watch Bollywood movies, but I think I like the storyline more in the English movies. So that's why I reach out to them more.
Yeah,
That's
correct,
why.
correct. So yeah, and these days I think in Hollywood we don't get something new. It's my opinion. Yeah, in some of the movie it looks like they have different storyline or something creative thing, but most of the time it looks the copy, kind of copy from other movies. Even the song also we must have
Yeah,
heard in the previous movies, or it's like the old songs and they change
yeah.
it in
Remix it. They remix
remix.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nowadays, old songs are coming back, just with a little twist and all.
Yeah.
Okay. So, anything you want to talk about?
Nothing is coming in my mind right now. So anything that you can bring up or any activity that you can do
Okay, so we can talk about learning, right?
here.
So, if I were to be your student, like your English student, right? And I'm a very beginner, okay? How
Okay.
would you guide me? Give me two very simple advices that has worked in favor for you, that you would
Okay.
want to give a student who is a beginner. Okay,
Mhm.
imagine myself as a beginner.
Okay. Well, so I will advise from my personal experience. Firstly, I started with learning what exactly that things that we use in English. For example, we make a sentence and then paragraph. In the sentence, what all things are. Like we have subjects and what is the object and what are helping verbs. We should know at least this thing, the basic thing. Then we can make our sentences easily. Because I never learned from anyone and I just learned the basic things first. So I advise people that they should at least know what exactly that terms we call so that we can make the sentence easily.
Yeah.
And then uh, in like the basic grammar thing you should already know. I'm not saying to cram up all this thing, but at least just give it a try. Learn it fully that what are all the sentences, tenses are, so that we can get to know that yes, we are talking this sentence in the present or past or maybe future. This will help you. And then start with listening. First, start with some animated stories or anything that you like a lot. But it should be like the simple English in the beginning. So as a beginner, if people try this thing, so this will help you a lot.
Yeah. I have seen in a lot of people that their tenses get really mixed up. Have you ever faced that situation? Like starting a sentence, they are using past tense, and then somewhere in the middle, present tense, then it becomes future tense. Right. In some people, tenses get really mixed up. Have you ever faced that in yourself?
Yeah, I feel that in the beginning it happens because we are not habitual of using it all the time. But I remember that in initial days I used to mix up. Even
Yeah.
though I know all the grammatical rules that yes, this is present or past or future, whatever it is. But while speaking, we are not too much conscious because we have to thought, like we have to think also. We have to make our sentences and what kind of answer we have to give. So we prepare in mind all the time. So because
Yeah.
of that, we don't focus too much on grammar grammar things. So
Yeah.
that's why. But yeah,
I
well,
love the.
while speaking, while practicing, it reduces day by day.
Okay. Okay. I really like the fact that you are making a mistake and then correcting it yourself. So I don't have to do it.
I
You,
had next question that I want my feedback so that I can work upon those things.
yeah, no, I think you're correcting yourself. You just now said I have to thought, and then you corrected I have to think. So, I did not have to tell you anything about it. You corrected yourself. I think you're doing great.
Yeah. So anything that I should work more and more on my
Well,
English.
a bit on the pronunciation part, you can definitely still work on it. Rest,
Hmm.
I think your fluency is good. Your tense is good. The grammar part is what I'm talking about is also good. The pronunciation may be a little bit.
Okay. For
Okay.
the pronunciation, what advice would you give?
Like hearing podcasts, movies, and then actually trying to speak it out. Not just hearing will help you. You have to imitate that, copy that. Okay. So
Hmm.
when you hear something, you can try to imitate that, speak it in the same accent or tone, how the words are being said, or the how the phrases are being said. So
Yeah.
listen and then try to speak it out, and then try to compare how
Hmm.
much it is different from
Yeah.
the actual word.
Okay, I will try. You know what happens sometimes when we read or when we get a new words like in the newspaper or anywhere like on social media. So we make our own pronunciation because that
Yeah,
time we have to read.
yeah.
So we don't go to, just find out the pronunciation. So we read it in our own accent.
Yeah, you want to. So you can definitely do that or record yourself when you're coming across a new word. You can speak it out loud and record yourself, like your as a voice note or anything. Then when you get time, you can compare it. Hear the original word from Google or anything, and then you can compare it and give credit to yourself if you're right.
Yeah,
Okay. Thank you so much
definitely.
for today's session.
Yeah, thank you
I
so much
hope
to you.
you have a good day ahead
Yeah,
and
you
we
too.
get a class soon enough. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
great day.